chicks in forever. Rock a block, Rockefeller.
My bad. I'm real talk, man. I get understood, but they don't understand. And I'm hot. So, and they can't understand, like, how the fuck you beat a man? I'm hotter than the motherfucking beach on the sand. Look, I do my thing, then I'm back in the range and spitting that shit. Niggas won't change, but ain't unique. These niggas wanna keep but can't have. These niggas wanna take but didn't grab. These niggas are soft like a ball, like we playing volley. But niggas ain't shit, bitch. I hit you with them hollies. Real shit, and I drop fucking bodies. Hot with the shotty. Can't nobody stop me, even the body in my face. Fucking nigga, he the disgrace to the motherfucking rap industry. Cause that niggas ain't tending me. That niggas ain't killing me. That niggas don't want none. And if you want beef, motherfucker, I don't need guns. Hit you with the fish, yeah, I'm quick with this shit. Knock your ass out, lose a teeth, bitch, on some real shit. On the quickness, hit your ass with that sneak shit. But I ain't gonna run, I'ma wait till you fall, bitch. And that's real shit. And that's real fucking shit. Can't nobody understand this unique bitch. And I got that chip. Matter of fact, man, I got them chips. I never act, never read them scripts. Real shit, motherfucker. Got a hoe where you better ditch, where you better duck, like for cover. Niggas undercover working for feds, so I had to take them under. Real shit, motherfucker. Better listen in the kitchen while I'm cooking, motherfucker. And I caused the ruckus. I'm the horror, like a fucking movie scene that you wanted to see, but you didn't cause you got scared. At the first time, niggas was here, but didn't disappear cause I went away. Then I came back on that great shit. But nigga had the 360, so I had to play, bitch, cause I'm nigga, you gotta relax and shit, let your mind flow. Then you get this spit out, nigga, like, niggas is whack, man. Niggas can't feel what the fuck I'm saying, so they hate, man. Pick a brush, motherfucker, you choose. Cause if you get the waves, nigga, or the braids, you lose. This is shit, nah, not on sleep, not on snooze. Nigga, I be on the motherfucking 10 a.m. them news. Niggas better understand you got clues where you better get your heads together. That's true. Niggas is lies. I'm multiply on some other shit. They die, nigga, on my motherfucking brother shit. Yeah, R.I.P. on my motherfucking mother shit. Motherfucker, I put that on some other shit. But this is me, back to Jelly Roll with the biscuits. If you looking for the hip, yeah, I got that Trisket. Leave a nigga twisted, all fucking dimension and membrane with this motherfucking insane flow. Watch spit, niggas ain't getting it. Niggas ain't motherfucking receiving it like no service. Real shit, nigga, motherfucker, yeah, you nervous. And I got you niggas driving in the car surface. And you niggas looking like clowns up in that circus. Real shit, nigga, I'm on driving like surface. See that hot spit? I put niggas to sleep like, he has that. He killed it. Up, go to sleep. Yeah, bitch. It's Taylor Gang and kill yourself.